My name is Aculet Esther. I came from Aculet Cell, Aculet Parish, Kagwara Town Council, Kadungulu Sub-County, Kasilo County, Serere District. Before joining Gudie Leisure Farm, I was teaching in a certain school. I was teaching English and RE from Aculet Nursery and Primary School. The challenge that I faced when I was teaching, there is a during times of salary, you will not get your money in time. I got to know Gudie Leisure Farm through our chiefs. They came to us and they told us that they need people to go and train there in Gudie Leisure Farm in Wakiso. Then I was also got that chance to come this side. I'm doing poultry, but since I came here, I've learned how to make a brooder, who have to breed the younger birds and to vaccinate them. So if you are making a brooder, you have to measure you have to first get the centimeters needed. After that, you disinfect. After disinfecting, you have to pour the litter. After pouring the litter again, you have to disinfect. Then you cover with the peppers. Then after, you put your stove with the briquettes, you light them. Then you put the birds there plus drinking water and the feeds. I've learned how to vaccinate the birds. So for example, last Saturday we vaccinated birds using Gumboro vaccine. Secondly, I've also learned how to raise up a younger bird. So when you're raising it, you must be having feeds, you'll be having enough water for them to drink. I've learned how to make the key holders, beads, reusable pads, and the bangles. I've learned how to operate a business, that when you're operating a business, you must be having the business name, business language, and you have to register your business. Possibly, I've learned how to operate a business. When you're operating a business, you must be having labor, you must be having land where you are going to put where you're building your house that you are going to be using if you want to open up a restaurant or a hotel. Life has been good because we have been enjoying the meals, the parties. My commitment when I go back home, I want to go and train the fellow youth behind, to teach them, to make them also to learn how to brood a younger chick. Secondly, to make them also to know how to vaccinate the birds, because for us we normally vaccinate them after every week. We have to vaccinate them, and to give them also more skills, how to make beads, bangles, and the key holders, plus reusable pads. My message is I'm very happy and I'm very excited for what the management of Gudie Leisure Farm has done for me, because I've also learned very many things from Gudie Leisure Farm. So may the glory be to those people.